Dear student, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Today we are going to learn similar triangle. So we start our video. Observe the figure I draw on the blackboard. I draw pair of triangle, pair of square and pair of circle. If you observe the pair of triangle, their shape is same, but one triangle is large, other is small. If you observe the pair of square, their shape is same, but one square is large, other is small. If you observe the pair of circle, both are circle, but one is large, other is small. So here the figures in each pair are similar figure. If two figure have same shape but they are different in size, such figure are called similar figure. On page number 44, photo of Taj Mahal is given to you. Both are the photo of Taj Mahal, but one photo is large, other is small. So they are similar to each other. The photos of Taj Mahal are similar to each other. अगर दो ऐसे फिगर हैं, उनका शेप सेम हो लेकिन साइज अलग अलग हो, तो वो फिगर्स को क्या बोलते? सिमिलर फिगर बोलते। आपका फोटो और आपका इनलार्ज किया फोटो दोनों सिमिलर फोटो है। आपने बड़े बड़े कटआउट देखे होंगे, तो कटआउट में जो बड़ा फोटो रहता उसका छोटा फोटो, वो दोनों एक दूसरे के सिमिलर रहते। उसके बाद you also observe the similarity between a road map and road. रोड का मैप और रोड दोनों एक दूसरे के सिमिलर होते हैं। क्लियर? In the similar figure, their sides are in same proportion and their angles are congruent. If the angles changes, if angles are not congruent, then the shape of figure also change. So in two similar figure, their sides are in same proportion, but their angles are congruent. Their angle must be same. You observe the model of building and the original building. It looks like same, but their size are different. So the model of building and the building, original building, are similar to each other. Their sides are in proportion, but their angles are congruent. Clear? So you must remember the definition of similar figure. If two figures are same in shape but different in size, such figures are called similar figure. Here these two triangles are similar. Why? They are same in shape but different in size. These two squares are similar. Why? Their shape is same but their size are different. These two circles are similar. Their shape is same but their size is different. कंप्यूटर पे, मोबाइल पर आपने क्या किया? जूम इन जूम आउट किया हुआ है. जूम इन जूम आउट. छोटा है उसको लार्ज करें, स्मॉल को लार्ज करें. आपने स्मॉल से लार्ज करें, वो सिमिलर रहता, उसका शेप चेंज नहीं होता, खाली साइज बदलती. वो क्या है? सिमिलर फिगर. नाउ स्टडी सिमिलरिटी इन ट्रायंगल. Our next point. First we see the definition of similar triangles. For given one-to-one correspondence between two triangles, if first condition their corresponding angles are congruent, and second condition the corresponding sides are in same proportion, then these two triangles are called similar triangles. Clear? This is the definition of similar triangle. See here, I draw here triangle ABC and triangle PQR. The correspondence between triangle ABC and triangle PQR is ABC corresponds to PQR. अब ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स में करस्पॉन्डेंस किस तरह है? ABC corresponds to PQR. In the figure, the pair of angle shown by same sign, they are congruent. So here angle A and angle P have same sign, so angle A is congruent to angle P. Angle B, corresponding angle of angle B is angle Q. Angle B is congruent to angle Q. Angle C is congruent to angle R. This is the first condition. Here, corresponding angles of triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent. Now we see their sides are in same proportion or not. So here corresponding side of side AB side PQ, we find AB upon PQ is equal to, here length of AB is 7 centimeter length of PQ is 3.5 is equal to, we write 0 here, 70 upon 35. 35 ones are 35, 35 to the 70, 2 upon 1. Then second, BC upon QR. BC is equal to 12 upon 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 to the 12, 2 upon 1. Last, we write here, AC, corresponding side of AC is side PR. AC upon PR is equal to 10 upon 5. It is 2 upon 1. Here, value of AB upon PQ is 2 upon 1. BC upon QR is 2 upon 1. AC upon PR is 2 upon 1. It means that the corresponding sides of triangle ABC and triangle PQ are in same proportion. So here AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. So here the corresponding angles of triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent and their corresponding sides are in same proportion. So we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. How you write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR? By using symbol. So we write here triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is the symbol of similar. Clear? So when will be the two triangles are similar? If their corresponding angles are congruent, and second, their corresponding sides are in same proportion. And you must also remember one more thing. If two triangles are similar is given to you, means what is given to you? Their corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding sides are in same proportion. Clear? You must remember this. Now we start practice set 3.5. Question number 1 is, if triangle XYZ similar to triangle LMN, write the corresponding angles of the two triangles and also write the ratio of corresponding sides. सवाल में क्या दिया है आपको? ट्रायंगल XYZ सिमिलर है ट्रायंगल LMN के. आपको क्या लिखना है? उन दो ट्रायंगल के करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स लिखना है और करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का रेशो लिखना है. तो फर्स्ट वी राइट हियर ट्रायंगल XYZ is similar to triangle LMN. In bracket we write given We know that if two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are congruent. We write here first pair of corresponding angle is angle X and angle L. Angle X is congruent to angle L. Then angle Y is congruent to angle M, and angle Z is congruent to angle N. In bracket, we write the reason corresponding angles of similar triangles and their corresponding sides are in proportion. We write here XY and LM is the first pair of corresponding side. We write here XY upon LM is equal to second YZ, and MN is the second pair. So YZ upon MN is equal to third pair XZ, and Ln is equal to XZ upon Ln. We write the reason here corresponding sides of similar triangles. Here we write the corresponding angles of these two triangles and the ratio of their corresponding sides. Question number 2. In triangle XYZ, XY is equal to 4 centimeter, YZ is equal to 6 centimeter, XZ is equal to 5 centimeter. If triangle XYZ similar to triangle PQR and PQ is equal to 8 centimeter, find the length of remaining sides of triangle PQR. क्वेश्चन क्या है? ट्रायंगल XYZ का साइड XY 4 सेंटीमीटर है, YZ 6 सेंटीमीटर है और XZ 5 सेंटीमीटर है, और ट्रायंगल XYZ सिमिलर है ट्रायंगल PQR के। ट्रायंगल PQR की साइड PQ इक्वल है 8 सेंटीमीटर। तो आपसे कहा गया है कि ट्रायंगल PQR के रिमेनिंग साइड की लेंथ मालूम कीजिए। ट्रायंगल XYZ is similar to triangle PQR. Reason given. We know that if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in same proportion. Right here XY upon PQ is equal to YZ upon QR is equal to XZ upon PR. Reason we write here, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now we put the values xy is 4 centimeter upon PQ, PQ is 8 centimeter is equal to YZ 6 centimeter upon QR we want to find is equal to XZ is 5 we want to PR. Now first we find QR. 4 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon QR. Now we do here cross multiplication. 4 into QR is equal to 6 into 8. So QR is equal to 6 into 8 upon 4. QR is equal to, now we divide 8 by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 6 into 2, it is 12 centimeter. Now we find PR. We take 4 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon PR. Here also we do cross multiplication. 4 into PR is equal to 8 into 5. So PR is equal to 8 into 5 upon 4. PR is equal to, we divide 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 to the 8, 2 into 5 is 10 centimeter. Now we write the answer here. The length of sides of triangle PQR are QR is equal to 12 centimeter and PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Here we complete question number 2. Question number 3 is draw a sketch of a pair of similar triangles. Label them. Show their corresponding angles by the same signs. Show the lengths of corresponding sides by number in proportion. It is a very easy question. In this question, he told you draw a rough sketch of two similar triangles. Label them and show their corresponding angle by same sign. And show the length of corresponding sides are in proportion. क्या करना है आपको? दो सिमिलर ट्रायंगल की रफ फिगर बनाना है, उनको लेबलिंग करना है, नाम देना है, और उनके करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स को सेम साइन से दिखाना है, करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड के लेंथ को प्रोपोर्शन में दिखाना है। अब इस क्वेश्चन के कई आंसर हो सकते हैं। आप कोई भी पेयर के ट्रायंगल बना सकते हैं, उनको कोई भी नाम दे सकते हैं, उनके करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल को किसी भी साइन से बता सकते हैं, और उनके करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड के लेंथ को किसी भी प्रोपोर्शन से बता सकते हैं। तो इसके एक से ज्यादा आंसर होते हैं। मैं जो बताया वो भी बता सकते हैं आप, या आप खुद भी कर सकते हैं। सो हेयर आई ड्रॉ द ट्रायंगल्स, द रफ फिगर और स्केच ऑफ द ट्रायंगल्स। I label this triangle as triangle ABC, and the second triangle I draw here, triangle PQR. आप यहां कौन से भी ट्रायंगल बना सकते हैं, उनकी लेबलिंग किसी भी नाम से कर सकते हैं। Then he told you, shown the corresponding angles by same sign. So here the corresponding angles of the first pair of corresponding angle is angle A and angle P. I write the sign this for these two angles. Angle B and angle Q, I use this sign for these corresponding angles, and this sign for these two corresponding angles. I have shown the corresponding angles by same sign. Then he told you, show the length of corresponding sides by number in proportion. So I take length of side AB 6 centimeter. The corresponding side of A is PQ. I take it at 3 centimeter. Length of side BC is 12 centimeter. I take its corresponding side QR 6 centimeter. Now I take length of side AC 14 centimeter and length of side is corresponding side PR 7 centimeter. Here 6 and 3 are in proportion. 3 ones are 3, 3 2 are 6. Here 6 and 12 are in proportion. 6 ones are 6, 6 2 are 12. 7 and 14 are in proportion. 7 ones are 7, 7 2 are 14. Clear? This is the answer of third question. You take pair of any numbers, but you must keep in your mind the length of the corresponding sides must be in proportion.